Hey guys, and welcome back to the first video I made in a while. Had a bit of a break because things have been quite busy here at home, and yeah, thought I'd do a small little video featuring the pile of rocks that I put in my front yard and my smaller scale trucks. So this pile of rocks I've sourced from several spots on the Facebook Marketplace. People advertising some free moss rocks, so I went and picked it up and thought I'd put this in this slot in my front yard and have a little bit of a play area for my trucks. So essentially this is a 16th scale truck from WPL. Some of you may be familiar, these guys are quite popular. I like the smaller scale, as I said before, because it makes, regular obstacles that the 10th scales can ignore into something really challenging, like these guys. It's really good fun. So you may have seen I've upgraded the two axles there. That's a nice view when you flipped over. I've upgraded the axles to full metal bridge axles there and full metal drive. 2-speed gearbox there. Running the WPL's 2-speed gearbox, they're pretty nice. This is running in low gear, obviously. And the WPL V3 sound system that you guys are hearing right now. I did upgrade the speaker a bit, so it's a little bit louder than some of the sound kits, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, just a quick intro. I'm not going to talk through the whole video. Enjoy. I hope you like it. And yeah.